Hello,
Hi,
how are you?
I am fine.
What is your name?
My name is Sarah.
Where are from?
I am from America.
What do you do for a living?
I am nurse.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
What time is it?
It's 2:30 past.
Do you like exercise?
Yes, I like to go for runs in the morning.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
I went to the beach.
Would you like some coffee?
No, thank you.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't have any allergies.